Hi, my name is Rahman Zeb, and in this video I will show you how to make an image scroll on hover like this. Okay, let's get started. And I have created a very basic HTML page with a single div, and inside that is a link tag, and inside that I have put the image. Okay, let's get started by clicking on this plus icon and then double click on the inspector style sheet. Okay, I will give the image dash wrap div a width and height of 300 pixels. Then I will set the overflow to hidden, and finally I will give it a margin of 50 pixels at the top and the bottom, and for the left and right I will give it a margin of auto to center it. Then inside the image wrap div I will target the IMG, and I will give it a width of 100% and a height of 100% as well. And then I will apply object hyphen fit cover to make it look good, and then I will apply object hyphen position to change the position, and vertically align it at the top and horizontally at center. Finally I will apply the hover effect. So when somebody hover their mouse on the image wrap div, the image should start scrolling, and we can achieve this effect by setting the object hyphen position to bottom center. Okay, now we have almost done it, but the animation is not looking great because we forgot to apply transition. Okay, now it's looking great, much better than the previous one. But please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks.